Hey everyone, got my ps5 VR. Let's go. Yep. So let's set it up. I'm going to put the camera this way so you can see me. Hello. Right, let's get the ps5 headset. There it is. So let's unwrap this wire and plug it in. Right, I got it. I got it, guys. I got it. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, wires. There we go. Now, my dad said it could. Okay, it's okay, guys. I got it. Right, my dad said it's going in the PlayStation thingy, so let's put it in. And yeah, let's get to playing in here. Yes. Okay. Let's try it on and see how it is. Okay, where's the button to adjust it? I don't know. I have to look first before. Don't know what it does, but anyway. Okay. Okay, that's good. These are the controllers. You can see them. You heard like oh yeah, like this. Probably cut out of the way. Oh, these are the earphones for him. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at these earphones. Let's try them on and see how they are. Kind of good. Okay, kind of good. Kind of good. Just put them in here. I have no idea. No, I've tried this before. Did it go inside the VR? I don't know. How we see. Guys, I really don't know where the earphones go in this. I'll find out later. Let's open the other controller. Right, all the controls are done. The box here came in this box, so let's put everything back in. I don't need manuals, I know how it works. No, not really, that's a lie. There's that extra thing, so keep the box. What else is the bag? I don't need the bag. That's bag for it. And here is the charging station for the PlayStation controllers. Let's open that. This feels like Christmas, but it's not. It's just like 19 days away, I think. Jeez, no, wait. I don't know. I forgot. Come on, guys, is that coming out? Jesus. Stop. Okay. Get out. Oh. I don't know. I think I have to make the box metal to get it out. Fine, out of the box. Jesus. Like, let's open this thing. I don't know what it, oh, here. Ready, eyes? Oh. There we go. Ready? So this is the charger. Alright. Let's open this a bit more. Yeah, this is the charger, you can see. Comes in 2 pieces. And I guess this is the station. Yep, this is the station. Kind of weird station. Guys, I know what I'm doing. I'll go put this here, I guess. Or is it this way? Yes, this way. Guys, I'm learning. I bet I've left it. I wish I had been up here. Just one for me time. Alright, let's turn on the PlayStation and see how it is. First, I'm going to plug these in. See how they work. Let's just go in the... Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. It's a new thing for all, well, not all of us, just me. Do I have any plug socket is free, or have I not? Nope, I don't. So let's plug out my charger, plug that in. And it looks like it goes on like this. I don't know how it goes on. Right, that looks right, but it's not. Wait. I'm done. It's for the controllers, really. Kind of difficult though. There we go. Are they actually charging? Not really. There we go. Got charging? Yes. Right, okay. Now let's on the PlayStation. Right, let's see. Controller on. Let's just turn the thing on. That's what you're looking for. The button is under here. If it works. Oh, I have to turn it on first. Right, let's see here. Even on. No. Can't really tell. I can't really tell if it's on or not. Okay guys, I don't know how to turn this on. It's plugged in properly. Don't know. Okay, let's just turn it on. This is supposed to be a Christmas present, but my dad said I can have it now. Focus. Waiting. What's good about the PS5 headset? It didn't need a charger. I mean, a camera. Like the PS4 does. The 30th anniversary for the PS5. If it is for PS4, I don't know, because I don't have a PS4 anymore. Okay, let's see. Right, let's go up here. Alright. Alright, let's try to turn it on. Am I doing it right? Oh, it's on. Right. There we go. Oh, it's on. Right, guys, it's on. And the graphics are good. So go buy it if you can. I'll get it for Christmas. See you guys in this video. Bye. Bye.